Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will see how we can easily run Go in VS Code on Windows 10. So for that guys, at first we will download and install Go, then we will download and install VS Code. After that we will connect both of them so that we can run a Go program on VS Code. So at first we will download and install Go programming language. Go to the browser. I am using Chrome, you can use any browser. Here in type Go programming language and press enter. On pressing enter, the official website is visible, go.dev. Click on it. Now the official website is visible. Click on download directly. Now the download versions for Windows, Mac and Linux is visible. We want for Windows 64-bit Windows 10, so I'll click on here. It is for Windows 7 or later. Intel 64-bit, it's written here. Click on it to download. Now the download started, is only 130 MB. Let's wait for a few seconds. So the download completed, double click on it to install. Minimize this. Click on next, the setup started. Now you can read the license agreement and click on next by accepting it. So Go will get installed under program files. If you want to change the location, click on change. Click next. Now click on install. So guys, we have successfully installed it. Click on finish. Now let us verify the installation. Go to start, type cmd. Click on open to open the command prompt. Now after opening it, type go space version and press enter. Now if the following is visible, that means we have successfully installed it. The version, okay. Now close this. Now guys, we will download and install VS Code. Go to the browser. I am using Chrome, you can use any browser. On browser type Visual Studio Code. Press enter. On pressing enter, you can see the official website is visible, code.visualstudio.com. Click on it. So VS Code, that is Visual Studio Code, is owned by Microsoft and it is freely available, that is open source. Herein you can see the current version for Windows is visible. You can click on the drop down so that you can check the versions for Mac and Linux also. I want for Windows, so I'll directly click here. Download for Windows. Now download started. Here it is. It's only 72 MB. Let's wait for a few seconds. Here and you can see the setup downloaded exe file. Now double click on it to install. Minimize this. Click on I accept the agreement. Click on next. Here and you can see it will get installed in the following location and it will only take 287 MB. If you want to change the location, you can click here, but I'll keep the default and I'll click on next. Click on next again. It will set the path also. I'll click on next again. Click on install. Now the installation started. The setup completed guys. When I'll click on finish, it will automatically launch. Click on finish. It started guys. Here it is. So we have opened it guys. Now we will install an extension so that we can easily run our program, that is Code Runner. Go to here. When you'll keep the cursor, it will show extensions. Click on it. Here it is. Now let us type an extension, Code Runner. Click on it. Here is the first one. Click on it. This will allow you to run your programs easily. This works for C, C++, Java, Perl, Go, Groovy and all these languages. Click on install. So when the following is visible, that means we have successfully installed it. Okay. Now let us type another name, Go, press enter. After typing Go, when you'll click on the first one, you can see this is by the Go team official. The publisher has verified ownership of go.dev, the same website. That's it. So this is what you need to install it. Click on install. So we have installed the following also. Okay. Now let us close this. Now let us create a new folder, open folder. Let's say I'll create a folder on the desktop. So my folder name will be Amit. Double click on it. Now I'll select the folder. Now we are inside our Amit folder. Now what you can do, guys, you can click on the following new file and you can create a file here. Let's say my file name is demo.go. So extension for Go programming language is .go. So when I clicked here, it automatically opened my demo.go file. Now guys, when you will create a new .go extension file, on the bottom right it will show that you need to install an extension. Remember, you need to click on install all to avoid any future errors. So just click on install all, it will install every possible extension for Go. I clicked on install all. So here you can see it is installing the tools for Go. It will take some time, let's wait. So guys, you can see we have successfully installed all the extensions. Click on close. Now let us run our first program. Go. Now we will create the main function. That's it guys. Now go to file and click on save all. So we successfully wrote our first program. You can directly click on write and click on run code here. That's why we installed the code runner, or you can directly click here, run code. I'll click it. So guys, here you can see we successfully ran our first Go program on VS Code. So guys, in this video we saw how we can set up Go and VS Code and how we can run our first program. Thank you for watching the video.